In this quick video, I'll show you how you can buy Dogecoin on Binance instantly. So what you first need to do, you need to go ahead and click on the link which is going to be in the description. It's then going to take you to Binance where you can go and sign up for an account. Now Binance is one of the largest exchanges out there with loads of cryptocurrencies that you can buy. They have little fees and it's what I use to buy my crypto. Now what you want to do, you want to go ahead and sign up for an account. It will be in the top right. Go and sign up, it will take you around 30 seconds. Once you've made your account and you've logged in, you want to go to your profile icon here, then go to identification, and you need to go and confirm your account and confirm your identity on Binance. To do this, you can use a passport, you can use your driver's license or any government issued ID. You just want to verify your personal details and your address. Again, this will take you around 10 minutes. It's all done over a computer verified system. There isn't going to be a human reviewing this, so it's all done in around 10 minutes here. Now once you've got your account verified, we can now start to buy and sell crypto. So to buy Dogecoin, you want to go to buy crypto in the top left hand corner. You can pay with all of these currencies, by the way. It works in different countries. You can then buy Dogecoin with your bank account, your credit card, P2P trading, cash balance or third party payment. Now I recommend either bank deposit or credit card. Now there is a big difference between the two. Credit card or debit card, you're going to be able to buy Dogecoin instantly if you use it. But if you use credit or debit card, you are going to have some fees. And the fees are going to be higher than if you wanted to buy with bank. If you wanted to buy with bank, you would have very minimal fees, but you wouldn't get the money into your Binance account until like 3 days later. So for that reason, I'm going to show you how you can buy it with credit or debit card, which is going to be instant. So go ahead and click on that. It will then take you to a new window here. So here is the new window. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add your credit or debit card here. You can just go and click add and you can just go and add it like any usual credit or debit card on any other website. Then what you can do is you can choose your currency and you can go to the coin here and you just want to type in Doge and you can see it will come up here, Dogecoin. So the price of Dogecoin right now it will be here. And you can go and buy between £15,000 to £5,000 worth of Dogecoin, or that's the limit on my account. So you would just enter in the amount here, you will then click buy Doge. It will then take you to a preview window where you can verify that this is right. So you can see you're going to spend 31 pence on fee, and overall you're going to be spending £15. So that's how you can buy Dogecoin on Binance. I hope that video was quick and helped you out.